Yeah, so with that being done, I usually like using the same foundation. I mean the same why do I keep mentioning foundation? Concealer. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. You're most definitely welcome. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Thank you for clicking. You guys are the real gem. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for the support so far. I'm actually really grateful. And if this is your first time of seeing my videos or coming across this channel, please to definitely make sure you subscribe down below. Click on the subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell notification, so each time I drop a new video you get to see it first. Okay, so without wasting much time, in today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of very simple everyday makeup routine, like something you can just do on your own without wasting much time, without taking much of your time. And you know, it's going to be very simple but yet kind of glam, so you can easily go out with it. So if you want to learn that, make sure you definitely do keep on watching. Without wasting much time, let's get right into this video. I'll be using this tea tree wipes to, you know, kind of clean my face first before doing any other thing. Just go in and wipe. Make sure you wipe gently. You don't want to wipe your face with so much force, so you just, you know, wipe gently. Start up with your face preparation first. Just, you know, prime your face and then use some kind of spray to make your makeup. Yes, so it's from Rimmel London. Yeah, it's going to be like using drugstore products, because obviously some people are just like doing their makeup just to look nice, so it's not like something serious. So you just want to rub that into your skin. I'm sorry if I'm looking up because my mirror is right above, like above my phone, so when I'm looking up, I'm looking at my mirror. I always like to go in with a loose powder over my brows before I start to draw it out. So I just pat in the loose powder over my brows. And mind you, my brow is already carved, so I really don't have to carve that anymore. So just brushing your brows, try to brush it out, and then go in with a well sharpened pencil, because I know that's like the most common drugstore stuff, and basically that's what I use. So just try to trace out that's it. And trace out the top as well. See, it's actually very simple drawing your brows, I think. There we go. And then you just do the same thing for this to this. Basically, I got it filled in already, so I'm going to try to clean out the edges with these two brushes. These are the two brushes I'll be using. This is an angled brush, and this is the concealer brush, just to try to blend in the concealer. I'll be mixing these two shades of LA Girl Pro concealer. It's in pure beige and espresso. Sorry, so I'll be mixing the two and just try to clean out the brows. This is the mixture of the two, and that's what I'm going to be using now. So I'm just going to try to, brush it and kind of give it a natural look actually. Yes, so that's it. The next thing is just to use my powder. Don't know if you all can see, but I'm just going to use my powder to, just kind of blend out the concealer. Yeah, so do the same for this side as well. Yeah, and the concealer is well blended out. Yeah, so the next thing is I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow. I've been using very neutral colors from this beauty glazed eyeshadow palettes, if you can see it well. So I'm going to be using this brown shade first. Don't know if that's really clear. So I'm going to be using the brown shade first and just brush it over my outer corner and just brush it out to meet my brows. Mind you, I'm not trying to get it to my arc, so it still looks good. Yeah, just brush it, bring it down to my inner corner, and do the same for this other eye as well. The next thing I'm going to do is use this flat brush with concealer on it and just try to put this here. Yeah. And then apply this one right here to it. Yeah, so with that being done, I usually like to use concealer first to kind of cover the spots I have like all over my face, because actually now my face is not in its best state. I've been struggling a lot with acne in the past few days, so I just apply concealer where I have spots, so I don't have to use a lot of foundation, if that makes sense. Yeah, so And yeah, it's still the same foundation, I mean the same concealer I used to clean out my brows basically. So I'm still using the same foundation, I mean the same why do I keep mentioning foundation? Concealer. Yeah, so using the Rimmel foundation. Yeah, just apply that way. Oops, I got my beauty blender. Just pat it, pop, pop. So now that I have my foundation blended properly, I'm going to be using the same concealer I used earlier, the two concealers I used earlier to kind of highlight my face. You know what I mean? Yep, so I'm just going to blend right now with my beauty. So for contouring, I'm going to be using just this espresso, and I'll basically be applying this to my cheekbones. And my nose. And then I'm going to blend it out the same way I did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Next I'll be going in with my setting powder. I prefer a lot to use a smaller beauty blender because it just gets into the space more. Yeah, and that's pretty much contouring. The next thing I'm going to do is to use this face curve brush to, darken my contour. And I'm using the darkest shade from my powder palette, basically. I'm just going to be doing the same thing for my nose. Using this brush here. Still using the darkest shade from my powder palette. clean, you just want to apply your powder. Make sure you're using your shade basically. So guys, that's pretty much it for your powder and all of that. Like the same face spray I used earlier on, and just set the whole face, and just allow that to dry off basically. Once that is dried off, I usually love to apply what's it called, gel liner on my lower lash line. So I'm basically going to do that. Very simple. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be using my lipstick from the lip palette I got. Yeah, it's not something deep, really. And then I'm just going to be using the neutral color here. And that's pretty much your lipstick or whatever. And that's pretty much your makeup. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you just click the subscribe button down below, and make sure you click on the bell notification beside it so you can get new notifications each time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you leave a comment for me down below, and if you are going to try something like this, just leave a comment for me in the comment section down below. Share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till this point, you are the real MVP, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.